Alright, we just picked up this RYOBI 3000 PSI pressure washer. Guess what? It's powered by Honda. Sheesh! Let's go ahead and open this up. We're going to go ahead and assemble this and just do a little quick review. Here is the oil and all the instructions and paperwork. And check out this quick nozzle. 0 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and soap. Sweet. That's pretty dope. Nice thick candles. Oh, I love this. This foam feels really nice and soft. This just clips onto here. And you push these in. No more of the conventional screws that you plug in. There it is, it's assembled. Go ahead and pull this out. Here is the water pistol. Oh, already damaging it. And here's this heavy duty hose that comes with it. Nice and highlight green. Alright, and there it is. It looks super mean. It looks nice and clean. Dual overhead cams. It's just overhead cam. That's what's up. Wonder if it has VTEC. Yee! It engages at 3000 PSI. It's pretty dope. I already took these off for the hose. Hose is pretty heavy duty. It withstands 33 PSI, 3,300 PSI. So let's go ahead and assemble this. This is gonna go this way here into here. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. All right, there it is. Now I'll go ahead and connect my hose to it. Let's go ahead and put on the little nozzle tip here. All right, now we're going to connect our hose right into this. So let's go ahead and remove this cover. Now we're able to put it on. All right, here we have all our controls. Right now we're going to go ahead and switch it to off. The choke is all the way to run on the open. The fuel line, let's go ahead and turn this off for now for close. What we're going to do is add our oil. Where do we do that? All right, here it is, right on the other side. Comes with a dipstick. Sweet. So let's go ahead and fill it with oil that they provided. They also provide a little paper funnel so we can add the oil to it. So let's go ahead and add the oil into the motor. All right, and I took the whole container of oil. Sweet. Let's go ahead and put this in. Let's cap it down. All right, then we'll open it back up just to check it. Perfect. Let's go ahead and close it back down. All right, I stretched out the hose and it has pretty good length on it. It goes way out here. That's very good. Well, now I'm gonna go ahead and connect the water hose to it, and that's gonna go just right here. All right, there it is. Let's go ahead and turn on the water. Let's go ahead and open this up all the way. Let's hold the trigger for about 30 seconds to get all the air out. All right, let's fill it up with gas now. Right in here. All right, once it's nice and full, let's go ahead and cap it. Open up the fuel line. Let's go ahead and open up the choke. Turn this on. The choke was already on. There it is. And then to use the soap portion, it just says to add the soap detergent in here. Put the nozzle on the soap setting and start spraying. But we're not going to use that or that because we have a foam can in here. All right, let's go ahead and start her up. Might need both hands for this. See if I can do it single-handedly. Yeah, I'm gonna need both hands. Once you start it, put the choke back in. Sweet. And we'll just let it warm up for a while. All right, have this car set up, ready for action. We have it on the setting 25 degrees. That's pretty long. Oh yeah. 3,000 PSI. Powered by Honda. Looks good. See right here. Green shit. switch the nozzle to 0 degrees real quick. Wow. Put that back down to 25. Oh yeah. Works very good. Anyways, let's go ahead and wash this car. Does a very good job. I like it. Now let's hit it with the foam cannon. Simply take this nozzle off and replace it with the foam cannon. This is a lot heavier now. That sucker go. Probably have horrible angle because it's so dang heavy. Alright, the whole car has been hit with the foam cannon. Been letting it sit for quite a minute already. Now I'm going to go ahead and rinse it all off. 25 degrees. Working everything out. Finish rinsing this off. Alright, once you're done, just hang it in here. Just like so. Flip this to off. And you're set. This pressure washer is pretty good. Whole car is washed. Did this little section here to show how it was before, how it is now. Works very good. And there it is. That's my review on it. I think it's fantastic. Works very good. What do you guys think? Sweet. Picked this up at Home Depot for I think like $3.60. Worth the price. A little pricey, but worth it. I like it. Does a good job on the cars and on the pavement. Good amount of power. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.